Hi all, it's Bevs. In this video, I will be sharing my go-to recipe of baked scallops. First, we have to thoroughly clean the scallops. Cleaning scallops is an important part of the preparation. Let's remove some parts. Cut or pull away the frill and gut of the scallop, as it is not suitable for consumption at any circumstances, leaving only the muscles and the gonad. Make sure to remove the black intestinal thread. As you can observe, I try not to remove the gonads, the one with a vivid orange in color, as it is also edible. Some prefer to separate the muscles from the shell, but I like it when it is just a touch. The process of cleaning the scallops takes some time, but don't worry, it will just take few minutes to cook. Now that our scallops are clean, let's now make our mixture. We only need 3 tablespoons soft butter, 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon garlic. Mix the 3 ingredients. Add in pepper to taste. I did not add salt as the butter that I used is already salted. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit. For the toppings, we will be using processed cheese, breadcrumbs, and spring onions. Place scallops on foil or on a silicone mat. I maximize the space to fit all shells. Divide and spoon the mayonnaise mixture evenly among the scallops. Spread the mixture to make sure that all muscles are covered with the mixture. Top with shredded cheese, spring onions, and breadcrumbs. Bake for 15 minutes. When the cheese are melted and the edges are slightly browned, take it out of the oven and you may now enjoy it with your fam. It will definitely impress them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.